Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of, welcome to first episode of Paint the Town Red. This is a game that I've been wanting to do a few videos on for a while, but yeah, I just got it today. A friend of mine got it for me. So yeah. We're going to be playing this pirate-themed level, this pirate ship thing. I already tried this game out a little bit before. Jeez, why is it so laggy when I record? Motion blur low, maybe? Let's do that. Alright, wait. I guess I gotta put it on low for recording. Still laggy when I record, but it's not laggy that much. So yeah, I already played this game a little bit. Not that much though. I played it a little bit to get the feel of the controls and stuff. So yeah. But hey, let's cause some havoc around this ship. If you guys enjoyed this video in any way, give it a like and subscribe for more Paint the Town Red and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next... No, I'm not doing the end of the video. Shut up, Lex. But yeah, like the video if you enjoyed it in any way throughout the video. Subscribe if you want more Paint the Town Red and more of other stuff. And I didn't know I wasn't supposed to go in this room. Apparently that started, oh god, apparently that started a fight among everybody on the ship. Okay, I guess I'll join them. Come here, Mr. I saw that. Give me this. F to throw. Yeah, right in your face. This game is... Dang it! Well, I guess I know not to go in that room this time. This game is a game that has almost everything I've ever wanted in a video game. You can do whatever you want and people make their own levels and stuff. Including this. This is a custom level. Obviously. Well, not obviously. You guys might not have knew that. But, yeah. So, let's go for a goal of trying to kill everyone on this ship. Starting with you, Mr. Coffee Mug. Kick you off the ship, bye. Ooh, he gave me a little mug to throw at people. Let's kick him down the steps. Oh, sorry, not you. I didn't mean to kick you. Kick the captain. Kick everybody. Oh god. Goodness gracious, it's a brawl. Kick you. Give me this chair. I'll bash someone over the head with it. Throw it at your head, steak man. Ooh. Kick you in the skull. This is fun. That guy's on my team. The people with those things over their head are on my side, I guess. That's a, that's a leg. Give me that. I want this. I want this shovel. I need to beat you up with it. Oof. Let's go down there and kill some more bad guys. Whoa, we should grab that steak over there and throw it at someone's face. Grab that steak. Throw it at your face, sir. Got him. This is a perfect opportunity. Bye. Have a great time. my gosh. I'm gonna throw this turkey at someone. How about the guards? Hey guards. Nothing against you guys, but here's some turkey. Okay, I guess that was not a good idea. I have a weapon. And I'm not afraid to use it. Yeah. Get away from me. This is actually the longest I've survived on this ship. Because before when I played this a while ago, like a few minutes ago, I only played it a little bit to try to see what the game was like. I kept dying over and over again. Dang it, I'm almost dead now. Should shut my mouth. Yeah. Get beat down. No. Don't you dare hit me with your coffee cup. That's illegal. Shockwave ready? Awesome shockwave. Oh, kaboof. What does a shockwave even do? Oof. Uh-oh, you guys fell over. Give me this paddle. No, stay away from me. You guys are evil. Kick you. This game is very violent. Oh no. Yet again, a lot of the games that I play on this channel are violent. Like the Star Wars game I've been playing. Well, it's not that violent. This has blood. Dang it. I'm gonna try it again. This has blood and gore. Well, not blood and gore, just blood. But the Star Wars game doesn't have blood. It's just fighting. So what was that room we weren't supposed to go in again? Was it down there or up here? Yeah, it was down there. Oh, hello. Do I get to talk to you? Oh, you have a cutlass. Ooh. Thank you for this cutlass, sir. Now I shall stab you with it in the face. Oof. Yeah, see, you can cut their heads open. See? You can cut marks inside their heads. Anyone else want some? Stay away from me. This is so fun. This game. I was trying to pick up that knife, sir. Give me your cutlass. Killed him. Is that cutlass stuck in you? Well. Dude, look at their heads. They have weird shape and stuff. Oh no. I thought you were dead. Stomp you. It's like whenever I beat someone up, it starts a riot on the ship. And the reason I wanted to try out this level up first is because I like pirates. And next episode will probably be a Star Wars level if I find one. There's the shaft. Someone's head just flew off. Someone. Sure. He's naked. He's naked and he's gonna throw... Are you gonna give me a paper cut? Is that what you're trying to do? You can actually give people paper cuts? Boosh. Oh no, that's a play. Ooh, that's what shockwave is. That's so awesome. I guess I should use it from now often when I'm near someone. Yeah, I should use it from now often when I'm near someone to kill a bunch of people. Leave me alone. I'm gonna throw this chair at all of you guys. I'm sorry. Holy crap, he just ripped the door right off of that thing. gonna kill me. No, it's not. I don't have fall damage. Give me your weapon. No! Dang it. Before I end the video, I'm gonna go get steak and throw it in someone's face without them even noticing. Thank you. I'm just a random person buying steak. Hello. Wait, I'm gonna kick this guy off. Boof. I'm gonna go throw steak at the captain. Hey captain, you ready for this? What if that killed him? I would be illegal. I would be wanted for killing the captain with steak. Let's have a fist fight right here. Captain, poof. You're probably the one with the most health on this ship. So that means I need your flintlock off of your table. You're the only one here with a gun. No, I missed. Oh. How much health do you have, sir? Oh. Went right in his head. Now his flintlock's out of ammo and I'll just throw it at his face. He's still not dead. The captain does have the most health. Holy crap. Well... Yeah. I hope you guys did enjoy that first video of Paint the Town Red. I'm not gonna do like an official series of that game. I'm just gonna do little episodes whenever I find a level that I want to play. Like that one. So, hope you guys got a good laugh on that video. And if you did, give a like and subscribe for more Paint the Town Red. See you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'm gonna start saying this at the end of my videos. Stay Lexi.